Alright, we're good. Okay. Woo! Here we go. So, you're going to have to be able to see these petri dishes right here. Okay, so really, you can't shake anything. Don't breathe heavily. It's very sensitive. What we're going to do is I'm going to show you the effects of a supersaturated solution. So a solution, right, is when what happens? When you do what? Mixed up, but what happens? I mean, what, like, name me a solution. Give me an example. Salt and water. One dissolves in the other. You've got solute and solvent. Now, if you've made Kool-Aid before, right, and you don't follow the directions on the bottom, what do you get in the bottom of your cup?
Sugar. Because it's delicious.
Tasty, yes, but what happened? Why do you get sugar in the bottom if you put too much in?
You didn't mix it well enough.
Even if you keep mixing it.
You don't have enough water to dissolve all the sugar.
Yeah, there is a certain amount of sugar that water can hold. There's a certain amount of salt that water can hold. You can get water to go above that, however, by heating it. Water at higher temperature will dissolve stuff better, and if you carefully cool it down, it will actually stay dissolved in there. So what I've done is I have created a supersaturated solution. That means I have water that's holding more stuff than it should be able to. Do you think that's stable or unstable?
Unstable.
Unstable. It'd be like you holding a whole bunch of bricks, right? More than you should be holding. It's unstable. The slightest provocation, if someone just went whoo and tickled you, right? It would, or maybe they don't make the noise, but you would drop the bricks. What I've made a supersaturated solution of is sodium acetate, and this is used in something you have probably eaten before, and I want you to see if you can guess what it is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put just a few crystals of it in this petri dish, right here. Oops. Or on the table. It's not sugar.
Salt?
Well, it is a salt, but it's not.
Wonderful.
Yeah. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour a supersaturated solution over this.
Kevin?
And what's going to happen is the stuff is going to come out of solution and form a solid again. Okay? Now I have to be very careful when I pick these up, because if I shake them, I can
usually the live stream is hilarious because of this.
The recrystallization process. Are you ready? Watch carefully. And it is coming out of solution and recrystallizing back into a solid. And if I'm good, I can keep going.
Yeah, but you get closer to that.
Zoom in.
Don't do it.
Can I go to the side? Oh, I'm getting greedy. Don't break.
Oh, yeah, you definitely could.
Go back to the left.
Oh. Oh, go back this way. We got to counterbalance it.
You should write your name with that.
Right, Davey.
Why is this so awesome? Oh my god.
Oh. Look at that.
Is that stuff an ice cream?
So, no, it's not an ice cream, but what I want you to do, you can come by and take a whiff of it.
Waft it.
Ah.
I remember this from last year's study hall.
Yeah. Take a whiff. What do you smell?
Does it smell like salt and vinegar?
So not quite.
Salt and vinegar chips.
Salt and vinegar chips.
Oh,
You're quite right. This is the stuff that they use, and I hate doing
I'm
this
not
because
close enough.
you got to get kind of close. And it's safe to smell because they put it in food and you eat it. I hope it's safe to smell. So yeah, this is the stuff that gives salt and vinegar potato chips its distinctive flavor. They add salt and vinegar to them, but they add this stuff too because it's a very potent smell of it. Would someone else like to build something? Yeah, Isaiah. So you got to have a steady hand.
Can I poke it?
When it cools off a little bit, we can touch it. Yeah, because right now it's a little squishy, but it will when all the water evaporates, it will become kind of hard and crusty.
So cool.
Can I make a spiral thing?
Yeah, you can do whatever you like. You got to start on the crystal. All right. So here you go. Steady hand. Pour very carefully. Because if you shake it too much, it'll start to recrystallize right in the beaker.
Just gonna screw this up sometime.
Easy, Isaiah. Easy.
Easy.
Well, you can go faster than that. You got to start it on a crystal, though. There you go.
Keep it going.
There you go.
Slower. Slower.
Well, it's not perfect. But
Well,
Yeah, that's why
we can't all be Mr. Syracuse.
Make your
He's
staller
got
and
the
his do it.
technique
Make
down.
your staller and his go go go.
Well,
Try
oh,
it.
I see how this works now.
It's gonna break, don't worry.
Oh no, will
With
not.
that attitude, yes, it will.
Slow and steady. No. Zai salta tarwan zai race.
It's all like, this is crooked.
More to the left. More to the left. Bring it back. Bring it back.
What?
No, it's the left.
You're right.
I know, right?
This way?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're right, Isaac.
The way that it's not leaning.
I can't see.
Whoa.
Leaning this way.
It's kind of been.
Okay.
Wait, no, wait, yeah.
Yeah.
Could make like twin towers.
Oh.
That's gonna kill you.
Ooh.
No?
You ruined Christmas again. Oh, no. See, it's kind of goopy now. And it actually is warm. This reaction of this stuff, of recrystallizing, by the way, is exothermic, so it's releasing energy. We can see if we can...
Rend it.
Glue it back together. Here.
Uh-oh. Not gonna have story of my life.
Good job, Syracuse.
Yeah. Can we just kind of...
No.
No, it's not gonna... Oh.
No.
There you go.
That's a tired boot.
But anyway, once it does cool off, it does form one big chunk. Like the... Oh.
Mine's bigger!
So you do get one big chunk, and it's kind of cool. The cool stuff about this too is I can remelt this, and you see it's crystallizing in there. Yeah. You can remelt this and actually do it again.
Do it again.
Well, it takes a while.
Oh, wow.
It's like champagne.
Oh, wow.
We do have other things to do. But pretty nifty, I think.
Double.
So I'm going to press stop
Yeah,
recording.
double.